Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install TurboList Builder on your website using FTP. Now before you do install TurboList Builder on your website, make sure first that you have the file, and the file usually looks like this. So this is the compressed or the zip file, and you will need something like 7-zip or WinRAR to extract the file and open the package. So let's go ahead. So these are the files for TurboList Builder, and this is what you're going to upload via FTP to your website. Now we're going to use FileZilla here, or if you have any other FTP program on your computer, that works fine too. So connect to your site via FTP, and in this case FileZilla. Now once you are connected, you'll see here public_HTML. Remember that this part here is the files and folders for your website, and this one on the left are the files and folders for your computer. Now as you can see, we have TurboList Builder, we have the one which was extracted earlier, and we have public_HTML. This is your website folder for your website. So let's go ahead, go inside this one, and we will need to create a folder for TurboList Builder. So let's go ahead, create one right now. You can actually use any name for it, and in this case it's TurboList Builder. So once you have that folder open, go ahead and transfer the files from your computer to your website. So let's go ahead and upload those files now. So I select all of the files, drag it, then drop it over here. So it's being uploaded. Okay, once everything has been uploaded, what you need to do next is to go to your browser. Okay, now once you are in your browser, and in this video I'm using Google Chrome, so you'll need to go to this address to set up TurboList Builder. So you need to go to yourdomain.com. Of course, yourdomain.com here is your website's URL or website address. So yourdomain.com directory, whatever directory you use for TurboList Builder, and in this particular video we use TurboList Builder and then /admin. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now as stated earlier, yourdomain.com, so let's go ahead with my domain, which is this one, and the directory we'll change that with the one that we used, and then /admin. Let's go ahead and set up TurboList Builder. So once you go to that address, you'll see this page here. So it'll be asking you for your email, password, and then it will ask you again to confirm the password. So let's go ahead. Now once you're done filling up the boxes, click on the proceed button. As you can see, it has been saved. So after you've set up TurboList Builder, it will revert to the screen here, which will ask you to log in. So enter your email address and your password, and then click on login. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page. So this is TurboList Builder, and this is the part where you can edit the opt-in form or the form that you'll use to build your list. As you can see here, we have template and then style 2. So this is the current style that we're looking at right now. Let's go ahead and change that. Let's view style 1. Style 3. Style 4. And style 5. Now it also says here that you can double click on an element to edit it. So let's go ahead. Let's go with this one first. Let's double click on it. Now when you double click on an element, you'll see this pop-up window or pop-up box. So you can edit the text, you can make it bold, underlined, just like how you would edit text on Microsoft Word or any word processing software that you have on your computer. And then after you have made the changes, you can save it by clicking on Save Changes button here, or if you don't want to save the changes at this time, you can click on Cancel. Now, if you want to look at the form that your customers will see when they subscribe to your list or the opt-in form, you'll need to use this URL. So again, your domain is actually your website's address, and the directory is the directory in which Turbo List Builder is installed in your website. Go to that address and you'll see the opt-in form or the form in which your customers will see when they subscribe to your list. Now let's go back to editing the form. So main headline, double click on that. You can change this to, let's say, or just for example. And we're gonna go ahead and save the changes and view them later on the form that your customers will see. There, I have saved the changes that I made to the form. Now let's go ahead and refresh. And as you can see, you can now see the changes that I made. It says now, hello world, good day to you, subscribe to my list and get lots of awesome stuff today. So this is what we just did earlier, and that's how you edit the form or the opt-in form or the form that your customers will see when they subscribe to your list.